Welcome back to Ferrari Motorhome. Today we have something so extraordinary, so breathtaking that it will completely redefine the way you think about luxury travel. This is the all-new 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari, the iconic Italian brand known for creating some of the fastest and most beautiful supercars in the world, has stepped into the world of motorhomes, and what they've created is nothing short of unbelievable. It's the perfect combination of supercar DNA and luxury living on wheels. If you've ever imagined what it would be like to live inside a Ferrari, this is it. And today, I'll be taking you on the most detailed tour you'll find anywhere inside and out. Performance, features, technology, and of course price. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly why this motorhome is unlike anything else on the road. The very first thing that hits you about the Ferrari motorhome is its design. This isn't just a large box on wheels. This is a statement, a masterpiece sculpted with the same aerodynamic philosophy Ferrari puts into their cars. Imagine a motorhome with curves inspired by the Ferrari Rama, aggressive front fascia inspired by the SF90 Stradale, and sharp lines that scream both power and elegance. The exterior is wrapped in Ferrari's signature Rosso Corsa red, with optional finishes in the Modena, Nero Daytona, and even a custom matte carbon fiber skin. Every inch of this motorhome has been designed in Maranello with wind tunnel testing to make sure that even though it's huge, it slices through the air with the grace of a Supercar. The front, the LED matrix headlights look like they've been lifted straight from a Ferrari hypercar. They sweep back into sculpted fenders, giving the motorhome an aggressive stance you'd never expect from something this size. The grille features a large prancing horse badge, backlit at night, making it instantly recognizable even on the highway. The side profile is sleek, with retractable aerodynamic panels that can extend or retract depending on speed to balance airflow and stability. The 26-inch forged alloy wheels are custom Ferrari designs, wrapped in performance-grade Michelin tires engineered for both heavy-duty loads and high-speed stability. And the rear of the motorhome is something you've truly never seen before. Full-width LED taillights stretch across in a futuristic design with quad exhausts integrated into a carbon fiber diffuser. Yes, you heard me right, quad exhausts on a motorhome. Ferrari wanted to make sure that even standing still, this beast looked like it was ready to race. Step inside, and the wow factor only grows. This isn't just a motorhome interior. This is a Ferrari villa on wheels. The entire cabin is drenched in Italian craftsmanship. Leather sourced from Ferrari suppliers, Alcantara lining the ceiling, carbon fiber accents on every panel, and aluminum switches milled to absolute perfection. The interior can be customized with the same Ferrari color palette as their cars, meaning you can have your motorhome interior in bold red with black stitching, classic tan with Rosso accents, or even all-black carbon fiber stealth mode. The layout is designed to combine functionality with luxury in ways we've never seen before. As you enter, the cockpit itself feels like you're in a Ferrari hypercar. The driver's seat is a sculpted racing-style chair with integrated massage and cooling functions. The digital instrument cluster is identical to the one found in Ferrari's SF90, giving you performance readouts, navigation, and even lap timer functions, though you'll be using those on highways, not racetracks. The steering wheel has Ferrari's signature manettino switch, allowing the driver to toggle between different performance and handling modes for the motorhome. Paddle shifters sit behind the wheel because, yes, this motorhome has a dual-clutch transmission. The entire cockpit is wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber, giving you the sensation of piloting a multi-million-dollar Ferrari race car. Not a motorhome. Moving past the cockpit, the living space is pure luxury. Ferrari partnered with world-class designers to create a space that feels both modern and timeless. The lounge area features a large sofa upholstered in Ferrari-grade leather, which converts into reclining loungers at the touch of a button. Built into the side panels are hidden old displays that slide up when you want them and disappear when you don't. A 77-inch 8K Ferrari-designed television dominates the entertainment area, with a surround sound system engineered by Bang & Olufsen exclusively for Ferrari. The system even adjusts sound dynamics depending on whether you're parked or driving. The kitchen area is sleek and futuristic. Carbon fiber countertops with induction cooking, a wine chiller that holds up to 40 bottles, a built-in espresso machine designed by Ferrari's in-house lifestyle team, and hidden refrigerators that blend seamlessly with the cabinetry. Everything is touch-operated with soft-close drawers and storage optimized for long journeys. There's even a holographic assistant that projects recipes, timers, and guides you through cooking while you prepare meals. Now let's talk about the bedrooms. Yes, plural. The Ferrari Motorhome features a master suite at the rear, with a king-sized bed suspended on a magnetic levitation system. This means you don't feel vibrations from the road while resting. The walls are upholstered in soundproof Alcantara, and panoramic smart glass windows surround the space. With one touch, they can go from clear to tinted to completely opaque. The suite also features its own entertainment system, climate controls, and even a starlight ceiling inspired by Ferrari's limited edition models. There's a secondary bedroom as well, designed for guests or family members. It features convertible twin beds that can merge into a queen and has its own ensuite bathroom. Speaking of bathrooms, this motorhome has one of the most luxurious setups in the industry. Heated marble floors, rainfall shower with Ferrari's own water pressure system, gold-plated fixtures, and a self-cleaning toilet with bidet functionality. It's not just functional, it feels like stepping into a five-star hotel suite. Now, while luxury is a huge part of this motorhome, let's not forget this is Ferrari we're talking about. Performance is in their DNA, and they've built something no one thought possible. Underneath, the Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V12 engine combined with 3 electric motors. Together, this system produces an astonishing 1,400 horsepower. Yes, you heard that correctly, 1,400 horsepower in a motorhome. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, which is absolutely unheard of for something this size. Top speed? Electronically limited to 155 miles per hour for safety reasons, but without the limiter, it could go faster. The transmission is an 8-speed dual-clutch system, the same technology Ferrari uses in their supercars, adapted for heavy-duty loads. The chassis has been engineered with active suspension, meaning the motorhome can raise or lower itself depending on the terrain. On highways, it hunkers down for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. On rougher roads, it rises to give you more ground clearance. The handling is also aided by Ferrari's 4-wheel steering system, making this massive motorhome surprisingly agile in tight corners and parking lots. The hybrid system also means you get incredible efficiency for something this powerful. In electric-only mode, the Ferrari Motorhome can travel up to 120 miles completely silently, perfect for cities or campgrounds. When the V12 kicks in, you not only get blistering performance, but also the spine-tingling roar that only Ferrari can deliver. Charging can be done at fast charging stations, and Ferrari provides its own high-speed chargers for owners. Safety is another huge aspect. Ferrari has loaded this motorhome with everything: 360-degree cameras, radar-assisted cruise control, lane-keeping assist, automatic braking, collision avoidance, and even assisted driving modes that can take over during long journeys. At night, the motorhome uses infrared cameras to detect wildlife or obstacles on dark roads, giving you an extra layer of protection. Now let's talk price, because you're probably wondering how much something like this costs. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at around $3.5 million, but that's just the base model. With customization, options, and exclusive Ferrari personalization, most buyers will likely spend between $4 and $5 million. Ferrari is only making 99 units worldwide, making it one of the rarest vehicles they've ever produced. Each one is hand-built in Maranello, taking over a year to complete. So who is this motorhome for? It's for the ultra-wealthy who want to combine the thrill of driving a Ferrari with the comfort of luxury travel. It's for collectors who want something truly unique. And it's for those who believe that travel should be as exciting as the destination itself. The Ferrari Motorhome isn't just about moving from point A 2-point B, it's about making every mile an unforgettable experience, and that's what makes it so incredible. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a Ferrari you can live in. A motorhome that goes beyond luxury, beyond performance, and beyond imagination.